Is your bank account a tangled mess of personal and business finances? You're not alone. Juggling personal and business expenses can be a nightmare for any small business owner. It makes tracking income and outgo a chore, and tax season becomes a full-blown panic attack. That's where dedicated business accounts come in. They offer a clean separation between your personal life and your entrepreneurial hustle. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into Tide, a popular online business banking platform. We'll dissect its features, pricing, and see if it stands out as a champion for small businesses. So, is Tide the financial knight in shining armor your business needs? Let's find out. The free-to-play advantage. First things first, Tide offers a free tier account. This is a major perk, especially for startups or businesses on a tight budget. You get a basic business checking account with a debit card, mobile app access, and the ability to send and receive payments. There's no monthly service fee, which is a huge win compared to traditional banks that often nickel and dime small businesses. Features to keep you organized. But is a free account enough? Well, Tide throws in some handy features to sweeten the deal. You can create and send invoices directly through the app, a massive time saver for freelancers and service-based businesses. They also offer basic accounting tools to categorize expenses and generate reports. This can be a lifesaver when tax season rolls around. Scaling up with paid plans. Of course, if your business needs are more complex, Tide offers paid plans with additional features. Tide Plus provides faster ACH transfers, integrations with popular accounting software, and the ability to earn cashback rewards on debit card purchases. For businesses that deal with a lot of cash flow, Tide Pro ups the ante with features like unlimited ACH transfers and integrations with third-party payroll services. Beyond the basics. Let's talk about some other noteworthy aspects of Tide. They boast a user-friendly mobile app, which is crucial for busy entrepreneurs who need to manage their finances on the go. Plus, they offer 24/7 customer support through the app, so you can get help whenever you need it. Is there a catch? Now, no platform is perfect. While the free tier is attractive, it does come with limitations. For instance, there are fees associated with cash deposits and withdrawals, and international transactions incur additional charges. Also, Tide doesn't offer some features like check deposits or overdraft protection, which might be deal breakers for certain businesses. Who is Tide right for? So, who should consider Tide? This platform shines for freelancers, startups, and small businesses that primarily operate online and don't deal with a lot of cash. The free tier is a great starting point, and the paid plans offer valuable features as your business grows. Overall, Tide is a strong contender in the business banking space. Its free tier offers a compelling entry point for new businesses, and the paid plans provide features that can streamline financial management. However, if you need a traditional bank with features like check deposits or substantial cash handling, Tide might not be the best fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.